From the hydrostatic balance, it follows that pressure at a certain depth in the ocean is proportional to the weight of all seawater and the air above it. Okay, what you also learn from the hydrostatic balance is that pressure in the ocean increases approximately linearly with depth. Okay, so you can derive a little equation which is shown here, and you can relate pressure to the depth if you know the density structure. Okay, but density can be approximated as constant if you just want to do a relatively good estimate of depth. Okay, so pressure, you can also measure directly the pressure, and then you can calculate the depth of a measurement. Okay, there's a little formula here. The depth and pressure are related to each other. And now knowing what vertical means is we can actually display vertical profiles of temperature and salinity at density, sigma t, in this as a function of depth. And this is shown here in this diagram from the surface to 800-meter depth. And you can see that there are three properties shown here. The green curve is sigma t, okay, which is the true density. You just have to add 1,000 to it. And sigma t is usually plotted without units. Okay, so the density is 1,000 plus this number in kilograms per cubic meter. And you can see the lowest or the lightest water is found here. This is what we call the surface mixed layer near the surface. It's about 50 meters thick in this example. And then the water gets heavier, the density increases. Okay. And associated with that are these, or what drive or what create the vertical density profile is the vertical structure of temperature and salinity. And in this example, it's the temperature effect that plays a bigger role. It's the warm surface water that creates a light surface water. Okay.